Hello, let us further look into the functional groups which are used only as suffix. So, there are certain functionalities which are only used as a suffix while naming the organic compound systematically. Just to remind you, earlier I discussed the functional groups that can be used as a suffix and or as a prefix under different circumstances. However, the functional group which I am discussing here are exceptionally be used only as a suffix while systematically naming or by nomenclating an organic compound anyhow. So, as you can see here, and you are well familiar with these two functionalities which I mentioned here, that the alkene, which is represented by C double bond C, or unsaturation, that is the double bond between two carbon atoms, are only be used as a suffix, that is ene, that is ene, that is ene, ene. So the ene, ene is the suffix used to represent the alkenes while naming organic compound, and likewise the other functional group which is used as a suffix for nomenclature of an organic compound is the alkyne. Alkyne means the compound containing triple bond between the two carbon atoms. So you can see here I mentioned the same thing here. Then you can see there is a triple bond between the two carbon atoms and that particular triple bond C is a functionality representing an alkyne, is used as a suffix as ine, that is YNE. So these two functionalities, that is the alkenes and alkyne, are used exceptionally as a suffix for nomenclature of organic compound in a systematic way. However, other functionalities or the functional groups which I discussed earlier are be used as prefix or as suffix as per the requirement while naming the organic compound.